Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Enigma and you're watching Enigma Inc. So let's do Cancer for the month of August 1st to 15th 2021. What are the messages for the Cancer people? This is a general reading. Take what resonates. For personal readings and more accuracy, you can book me on WhatsApp or Instagram me. Details are given in the description box below. And you can also join my manifestation workshop, which starts on August 8th, new moon. So there's a lot to learn for you to change the quality of your life. So a lot will be covered in nominal cost related to your love, your health, good luck, and career, finances. A lot of things will be, taught. So all those interested can ask for the details on WhatsApp or Instagram. Alright, so Cancer, are you feeling like lost, or you feeling like you regret losing someone, or you regret you miss someone? I feel like someone long lost, someone who's gone, and you kind of miss that person. I feel there is a new beginning happening into your life, Cancer, and the past is changed and you're moving towards a new life. I also see like a new career, a new job, which is very stable, which is something that is long term, and you are very much in your own power, feeling really relaxed, feeling safe and secure where you are, unlike before. Something that you had to leave to achieve something big in life, and I feel like your wishes are going to fulfill. You're going to get a kind of a career, or you're going to be able to dream and get it. So you have dreams and you're going to get it. Okay, so whatever your goal is, there's a lot of money that's coming through. I see your wishes are going to fulfill. So listen to your gut feeling. Some of you dealing with a Cancer person, another Cancer or Pisces in love, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Okay, so here I feel like it's more about self-love here, Cancer. You want to embrace yourself, you want to love yourself. There's a lot of self-love, and you just don't care about how the other person sees you or talks or feels about you. You're just being who you are, and you feel very feminine. You feel in a very comfortable, confident, receptive energy. Okay, because you care for yourself, you're taking care of your health, you're taking care of your skin, you're taking care of your routine, like that, and you're feeling very stable. So I feel your root chakra is open, and I also see your sacral chakra and root chakra very strong right now, because you're feeling very much in your own power, very feminine, and at the same time you are feeling like your root chakra is stable, solid. Like you have the money, you have the the finances to take care of yourself. You don't depend on someone else for your money, right? So here I feel definitely there is someone who's keeping a watch on you. This person could be a younger person, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. Okay, and I see Cancer very strongly. Okay, this could be Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus sign. So they're going to send you a text message. Someone is keeping a close eye on you and is feeling really attracted to you. This person could be liking you. They kind of like you, and they want to take this, like someone wants to get to know you. Okay, with this I see like with this person is coming a stable start, commitment. Most probably if you're looking for commitment, you're single, then it is there. And also see a new job or a raise or a promotion of some kind. Someone is going to lend you a lot of money, or is going to give you a new job. Or I also see marriage offer. I also see ring on your finger, so engagement if you're looking for that, if you're in that age. But I do see like anything that you're rooting towards, you're going to become successful in it. So with the Ace of Pentacles, wow, so there's a lot of cash coming in, like a lot of money coming in fast. It is coming. So whatever is coming towards you, it's gonna be fast. If either it's marriage, it's engagement, it is money, it is a new job, whatever it is, it's a new beginning happening. So with the World and with the Ace of Pentacles, definitely a new beginning is going to happen. A lot of money coming in. I see your attraction level is also on peak. So I do see like you have many suitors interested in you and you're not aware of it. I feel like right now, Cancer, you feel like everything is so low and you know nothing's working in your favor. You have nothing to do. Life is so boring, you know, stuff like that. You may be thinking like you are still thinking about the past person, but you are not aware that a lot of new things are coming into your life. New beginnings are happening. You want to be happy and joyful. So you're not aware of what's coming in your life, which is going to change your life. Okay, so whatever is coming really fast. All right, someone is keeping a close watch on you, is like kind of stalking you, watching you, what's going on in your life. And this person is going to reach out. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, is definitely they are going to come towards you. And I do see a solid offer coming in, or someone is going to provide you something or give you a job or something. You may get a gift also. So like on those lines. All right. So with the Four of Swords, you really want to be in your own energy. You just want to come out of the past hurt. You're doing that and you're healing yourself. So right now you're in a phase of healing and you want to be just with yourself, not bothered about who cares, who doesn't cares. Alright, so you just want your mental peace, and I see like you're very protective about your heart, and that is why you're coming off to the opposite sex as a cold-hearted person, as someone who is not interested, okay, in a relationship or in knowing someone, you know, like that. So that is also what I see. Okay, so the heart, there has been a hard moment in your life recently, and you're still coming out of it, and I feel like there is a ray of hope now, because there's a new beginning that is happening, and everything that was like going down in your life is now coming back, and now you're going to lay a stable foundation in your career or in love life, whatever it is. So yeah, definitely you have options. I do see you need to look out for a new job. If you want to look out for a new job, do look out for options, because there can be many options for your new job, or if you want to get admission into something, then there is a lot of options. If you want to look out for new love, then definitely you have a lot of new options. So it's up to you, Cancer, how you want to take things, because right now you're the one who decides and the ball is in your court and you decide what you want. Okay, yes, so right now you're also thinking, planning or strategizing about what you want to do in future, and you're keeping, you know, your love life aside, and you want to focus on your money, your career, and you have big dreams. You want to achieve those, so you're moving forward towards that. You're feeling stuck, you're feeling hung up somewhere, and I feel like now it's time that you release all those things, because definitely you are too guarded for no real reason. So you're just worrying about what ifs. So there's no what ifs here. You're going to be super successful in whatever you want to pursue. So could be dealing with a Scorpio. Okay, yes, you have a lot of passion, you have a lot of enthusiasm, but you're hesitating. So don't hesitate, don't overthink, just go for it. Okay, and you're going to be successful finally. Let's see what else do we have with the Romance Angel cards. Alright, Cancer, love yourself first. So it all starts off from self-love. So you need to take care of yourself, love yourself, respect yourself. The more you're in command of your life, in control of your life, the more sassy and attractive you're going to be. Someone from the past would love to come back into your life, would try to come back into your life, but then it's totally your call, because you will be in the self-love mode. Even if the reconciliation tries to happen, if the person from the past tries to come back into your life, you will not allow it, because we see an unrequited love situation. You're looking for someone who you can trust. Okay, and I see the person that you're going to reach out to, or who is reaching out to you, is going to be very playful, interesting, and a lot of love will be there. So very exciting start in your love life is coming up. Alright, so let's see, from Aries to Pisces, your person's feelings, Cancer. Aries. Okay, Aries sees you much beyond their league, or they feel like you have other options, so you're not interested in them. Taurus wants to reach out to you, is consistently thinking about you, could be a dominating personality. Gemini wants no strings attached kind of relationship, but they'll take a leap of faith towards you. Cancer is reaching out to you very soon, or you're reaching out to someone. I do see like you're moving forward towards new things in life. Leo is addicted to you, and it's more like a superficial connection than something deep. Virgo is stressing because you're not there, you're not focusing on them. Libra wants to end this and start afresh with someone else, and I feel like they could be trying to start afresh with you again. Scorpio sees you like a wish come true, so definitely they will chase you. Sagittarius is not happy with the fallout, and they're keeping a close eye on you. Okay, they are sad, they are angry, they are hurting. Capricorn wants to move on to the new person. Aquarius wants to reach out to you with a stable offer, with something that's long term. Okay, they want to offer you stability in a connection, like maybe it's friendship, maybe it's relationship. Pisces is very attracted to you and is going to reach out to you. This could be someone at your workplace. Okay, so Cancer, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell and comment down below. Let me know how this resonated. Till now, I will see you next time in more such videos. Bye.